Good morning. Today we are conducting campus interviews for final year students. Yes. Please be seated.
Thank you.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Santosh. I am pursuing fourth year BTech with an aggregate of 85%. And coming to my hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. Coming to my family background, my father is a businessman and my mother is housewife.
Great. Then how about your technical? As you told, you are 85% student.
Yes.
What is multi-threading?
Multi-threading is a process of using two or more threads simultaneously for utilization of CPU.
Great. I think you are very good at the technical.
Yes.
And how long will you stay with your organization?
I have a plan of starting the new organization. Until I start organization within 2-3 years, it may take time.
Great.
So till now I'll be staying with you.
Great. What is your expected salary?
As I have good aggregate with 85% in academics also, I'm expecting 4 to 5 lakhs package.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can I come in?
Yeah, please. Please be seated. How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm fine. Good. Great. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Salak. I'm pursuing BTech final year. An aggregate of 67%. My hobbies are photography and playing cricket.
Great.
And my family background is my father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker.
Oh, great. Coming to technical, what is multi-threading?
Multi-threading is the process of using two or more threads simultaneously to save the time.
Great. Why should I hire you?
I'm adaptable and optimistic, and I have interest to learn the new technologies and new things.
Great. What is the package you are expecting?
I'm expecting as per company norms.
It is not. You are not expecting anything. It is up to the mark.
Yes.
Whatever package it is it okay with you?
Yes.
How long will you stay with our organization?
As long as I can work, I can stay with this company.
Great. You don't want to leave the company in 2 or 3 years. You want to stay the company.
Yes.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Pranav.
Hi, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Pranav. I am pursuing my BTech final year with an aggregate of 55%. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, reading books. Coming to my family background, my father is an industrialist and my mother is a housewife.
Great. What is multi-threading?
Multi-threading is using of two systems simultaneously to increase CPU.
Oh, great. Why should I hire you?
Because I have heard that there are more opportunities in the company, so you can hire me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today we had interviewed around some good people, some 20 to 30 people we interviewed. One of the guys is Santosh. He is with a good aggregate of around 85%. He is excellent. He has good skills. He is academically very good. But he is having some attitude. As the one question I asked him, how long did you stay with your organization? He told that he is from a business background. He want to stay the organization till he established a new business. So I think he won't suit with our organization, as he told that he is very interested in business, not in working with our organization. Fine. Then the second guy is Sanath. He is very bright guy. Academically, he is an average student. Even though he is academically average student, he is having good dress sense. His behavior is very good. He is having good eye contact. As I asked him how long he will stay with our organization, he told that as long he can stay, he will stay with our organization. That's the very perfect question. We are very impressed with that answer. So I think this is the great answer for him. And coming to the third guy, he is Pranav. He is academically very poor guy. He is having some 58% of academics. Even his dress sense is not good. The way he came to the interview also, it's very disgusting way. He just he even didn't knock on the door. He just came into the door and sat with him. It's a different guy. He won't suit with the job. As I told, he is from an academically good and well settled family. He won't suit for the job. My choice in the three comparisons, my choice is Seneth, because he is a good adaptable guy with all the climatic conditions. He will adapt the new things. He will go with the new technologies. He will work. I think he is the best person. He will work with our organization for a long time with a good zeal. So we had selected Seneth. That's it. Congratulations.
Thank you.